Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Code Like Him. Let's see today's problem. Ones surrounding by zeros. You are given an m% binary matrix grid. Find the total count of all the cells containing ones that are unable to move out of the grid through a path of adjacent ones. The adjacency means you can move in four directions: up, down, left and right. Diagonal moves are not allowed. Assume that the space immediately outside the grid is an open path. For example, for this grid, the space outside that grid is an open path. Any ones located directly on the outer boundary, which means first row, first column, last column, can immediately step out. It means this one can go out. And any ones connected to it can follow and also step out of the grid. For example, if this is a 1, then this one is connected to this boundary 1, so this one can also move out. So we need to count how many ones are there which cannot escape this matrix. Okay, so instead of counting how many ones that cannot escape this matrix, we can find out all the ones which can escape this matrix, and eventually we can count the number of ones which cannot escape this matrix. So how we gonna find out all the ones that can escape the matrix? We know that if there is a 1 at the boundary, it can escape it, and also one adjacent to it can escape also. So it means that we can use that for search here to solve this problem and finding out what are all the ones which can escape. So first of all, we will have this queue, and we will push all the indexes in the queue which are on the boundary. So for the first row and the last row, we are gonna loop over I is equal to 0 and I is less than n for the first row, and for the last row, if there is 1, we're gonna push its index, its position into the queue, and this mark this as visited. For marking as visited, we are gonna make it as 0. Similarly, for the first column and the last column, we're gonna check if we have found anyone, if we're gonna push its position and mark it as visited. Then we're gonna traverse this queue till it is not empty, and we're gonna find the adjacency, the 4 cells which are adjacent to it, and we will check if the indices are valid. If it is valid, then we're gonna check if we have previously visited them or not. If we have previously visited, we're gonna ignore. If it is a 1, we're gonna push it into the queue and mark it as visited. And in the end, we're gonna count the number of ones in the grid, and these are the ones we cannot escape. They cannot escape. So in the end, we're gonna return the count. So time complexity will be big of m cross n. Space complexity will be m cross n, because we are pushing it into the queue. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.